We have enough time.
Everything happens in our life for some reason. Live it, love it, and learn from it. A very wonderful good afternoon to one and all presented over here. This is Aarti Toma in front of you, and today I am here to give presentation on my topic. My topic is whatever happens, happens for good. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Twinkle sir. They give me this wonderful opportunity, and I take this opportunity and say something about my today's topic. So we all know that very well. Whatever happens in our life for some reason, we can learn lot of things. So I would like to share one incident in my life. So it was a talk of 2020 when I study in 12th standard before lockdown in the month of Feb. In my class there was a one girl. She was my best friend and her name is Ruchi. And I went one day I went to school. There is one boy in my friend circle. His name is Samir Rajput, and that day Samir's birthday. So Samir will ask to all of us for party. So we all are ready to for party. So after that school, so we all went to for party, but Ruchi refused. But Ruchi, she used to go with me. So I said to Ruchi, Ruchi, I will come back for do party after back. So I will pick up you and you just waiting for me inside the school. So she said to me, okay. So we all went to party. After that 20 or 25 minutes we come back to school. So I pick up her. So she was very angry and she scolded me very much, and she said to me, why are you late? I am waiting for you. And she scolded me very much in wrong way, and we come back to my home. So she said to my mother, Auntie, Aarti was roaming with boys, Aarti will do party with boys. So that time I ignored, and after that she went to her home. So my mama is asked to me, Aarti, what is this Ruchi said? So I all things told to my mother this matter. After same day we meet in coaching in the evening. So I said to him, Ruchi, why are you talking like this to my mother in rudely, and you said to all of things in wrong way? So he said to me, she said to me, Aarti, your mother's thinking is wrong, so what can I do? So I said to him, you said to in wrong way. Everyone thinks a wrong thing because you said to him is wrong way. So after that all of things, I said to him, now it's over, friendship is over. So because I have not need to this type of friendship, because that today's I am thinking I am very good. I do whatever do is it's good for me, because she was very selfish type person and she don't have to manners to how to behave to elders, how to talk to like elders people. So it's whatever happens, it's I think it's good for me. And even though bad thing happens, sometimes bad thing happens for good reason. Thank you so much for listening.